bass. It's time for some. Here they come.
Oh, they're gonna eat the. Oh my God! They eat the bread too.
Hey, Swanee. Oh yeah, big. That's a catfish.
Oh wow,
Oh my goodness.
that is a big catfish.
Wow. There's a couple of them in there.
Oh
3
yeah.
I see.
Do you see how big that catfish is?
Yeah.
It's enormous.
Wow.
I have never seen that big of a catfish.
There's more than 3 there. Holy cow, lots of catfish.
Oh yeah. So big.
No fishing. Yeah.
They want those
Cool.
catfish to survive.
I guess so.
Oh, look. That one just put its nose up. Oh wow.
Fred, you see, you don't care, do you, buddy? I don't care. My swan, sitting there going, I know I'm beautiful.
Oh yeah.
I know it.
I don't know if they're here at the campsite or the swans. Do they own the swans, or do the swans just come?
That I don't know. I do know we were here 2 years ago and he was here. Yeah, so I don't know.
There's 2 of them and some ducks.
Yeah, I don't know if he's like, okay, I claim this pond. I don't know.
Probably because it's such a big pond. Well, it's kind of big. I've seen bigger though.
But yeah, I know he was here 2 years ago. I don't know. I don't think they would be able to contain. I mean, it's not contained or anything, so I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, he disappeared for a while. He probably went down to the other pond.
Probably, yeah, probably. Maybe he just migrates back every year and says, "Yep, this is mine." I don't know. Let's head back, Allie.
All right. Now we shall.
You want to try to feed the swan? Okay. You gotta grab a camera though, don't you? Oh, swan feather.
Swan feather.
Oh,
Hey, Swan, you want a big piece?
he's probably so full. Oh, okay. You got his attention.
Hey. Come on. Come on, buddy. Hi. You want it?
Oh wow, he's coming right along.
You want it, buddy?
Well,
You want to get on video camera, huh?
he's so beautiful. Oh, I'm sure he's got plenty of fish to eat too. Oh, people have been throwing stuff, all sorts of peels.
Here it comes, buddy. Here it comes. Yeah, give that a try.
Oh, he's just.
You don't like
passing.
bread? All right, buddy, I get it.
He
You've
must
had
be
enough
out of
bread. Bye-bye, buddy.
Probably got orange peel. Oh, maybe
He
we
likes
can-
orange.
Yeah, you know what? Did you catch the turtle or did you not get the turtle?
No.
Oh.
Bye-bye, bud. There's your marshmallow. There's a piece of wood we can steal.
No.
Yeah, because the campers are gone.
Should be stealing stuff from
It's
other
not stealing if they left it.
borrowing. Oh, that's a big tent.
Yeah.
I'm jealous of the big tent. It's bigger than ours. Wow. That's nice.
I wonder if that's. I
That
wonder
is a bigger tent than ours. And they got little.
if it's got bird poopies on it.
Yeah, well. It's probably a lot of birds from. Oh, I got a rock stuck in this.
Hey, my Wookiee here.
Oh. I think you have to go up and then over. I think your walk is going to be more stuff because there's that. Oh, not for hire, huh? No,
Nope.
not today.
Probably.
Yeah. Probably. Maybe. Oh, this must be the creek that they're talking about.
Creekside
Yeah.
Drive.
The creek that you can swim in over here.
Creekside Drive. Creekside Drive. Nobles Drive.
Yeah, this is the creek that you could swim on because they got a deck over there.
Oh, deck.
All hands on deck. That is the creek you could swim in.
Hee hee.
Because the deepest part is over here. Must be.
Jump in.
No, I just got out of the shower.
What's wrong with smelling like fishies?
No comment on that one. A lot.
Oh,
What is
what's this here?
Oh, this is where their electricity comes from.
Ah.
Oh, look at all those people. Creekside would have been nice.
Those kids got the idea. That's living right there. That is living.
Oh yeah, this is.
I don't think you jump in there. I think you fish right there.
Oh, you fish right there?
Yeah. Boy, if you had this campsite, huh?
Oh, I know. It's nice.
Be fishing right there right now. Get off of my property.
Oh, property. Yeah, I could see people swimming over here, but
You can probably swim right in
the lake.
yeah. That's probably where people swim.
Oh, I don't know if there's some over here. This lake.
I mean, you could wade in that
Yeah, that's basically what people do is wade in it.
and get your tube out.
I don't know. If I was stuck in an inner tube, I have no idea where I would go.
Your kids got the idea, hanging out in the stream. That's what I used to do.
Get some of this, little water park over
That
there.
beautiful bean footage.
Yeah. Go ahead. You can go down there.
It's pretty. Hello. You guys find any crayfish under rocks? Yeah? Have a good day, guys.
Honey, how much was that? The camera?
400.
Pretty cool. I never saw one like that.
Yeah, it takes a video of the entire world.
Everything.
And then you can put on VR headsets and literally everything's life size and look around your own video.
Cool.
It's really.
So what do you do? Plug it into your TV or something?
We could do both.
Plug it into your phone. Oh yeah, I mean
Yeah,
you
your
can.
computer, your phone, anything that's.
you ru-
That's how you watch it then.
Yeah, but you gotta have a smartphone for it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, smartphone, and then like I said, do you ever hear the gear, the VR glasses you can put on?
Yeah.
You put those on, like I say, you're literally looking around like you're here.
Wow, that's crazy.
It's nice.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Have a good day. I'll do
All right, let's get off of everybody's property. What, a bridge? You want to see the pretty butterfly? Look at the pretty butterfly.
I love how that is. I like the current.